Welcome to Open Mobile. Today we're going to demonstrate Open Mobile for iOS, now supporting iPad devices and its enhanced screen resolution. We've already installed the Open Mobile application from the iTunes App Store. Let's go ahead and execute the application and activate it for the first time. You'll note that you have two options upon the first welcome screen here for Open Mobile. The first of which will allow you to activate the application immediately, assuming that you have the proper profile and PIN information provided by your IT help desk. The second option is to activate later. Assuming you do not have that information available from your IT help desk, you can find hotspots and manage data usage through various meters that you have available within the Open Mobile application in what is known as a default mode configuration. Let's go ahead and activate. We're going to use a trial profile information and hit activate now. It's retrieving the profile information to ensure that you have the proper network directories configured for this particular profile. Upon authenticating the first time, you will then be able to connect to any of the network directories that have been configured by your IT administrator. In this case, the app is now grabbing that profile information and making sure that all the network directories are properly configured for usage in the field. Now that we've activated the Open Mobile application, you note that you have a new dashboard. This dashboard presents a plethora of information from a data usage meter over to the left-hand side, including bar graphs to show you various data usage of both Wi-Fi and cellular radios over time. Additionally, you also have a hotspot locating device. This hotspot finder will actually launch an online tool to help you locate nearby hotspots within your venue. Click on the list nearby hotspots and then allow the location information for this particular online app. And it will quickly search for locations within your vicinity. You will see both the list view as well as also to a map view. And you could navigate through the map. This is standard Google Maps, as well as also to narrow down your list view to various venues that are available within your area. Let's go back to Open Mobile. As you can see, we're online right now connected to a guest network. However, if we wanted to actually authenticate to a real network, we could then of course enter in our username and password credentials. By entering the username and password, now we would authenticate and be able to connect to various iPass network hotspot locations based upon, again, the profile information that has been configured by your IT administrator. Secondarily, too, you notice that within the settings you have the ability to send logs to your IT administrator once you have configured your settings. And then also too, on the right hand side there are various tips. These tips will refresh on a regular basis. Tips will give you added information on where and when to connect, various update information as to the application itself, and some helpful tips and hints to get more productivity out of Open Mobile. Swiping over to the right, you actually see that you have an enhanced view of the data usage meter. From here you have the ability to view data usage over 1 week, 4 weeks, 3 months, or even 6 months. Now in this case, since I just installed the application, it will not show history of usage. You can also too set a cellular data usage alert based upon your billing period, and also too how much data is within your plan. And of course too, you can decide whether or not this will alert you. Once you've set the alert, you'll see the cellular usage meter actually increase as data is used within your billing cycle. We're online right now. We know that we've used very little data since we just installed the application. We know where to locate hotspots. We'll go back to the dashboard, and you see since we are connected, we're ready to go. Once you've done this, now you can be productive. You can check email, you can surf the web, you can access your various enterprise applications. We hope you find Open Mobile useful, and we hope that you enjoyed this demo.